What's going on here?
Notch, come out and tell me what I did to you. Come out.
Can you imagine? Come out and hit us.
What is it?
I've been texting you and calling you for weeks, but you've been avoiding my calls. What have I done wrong? After all we've shared.
Don't mind them. That's how they do in this Lagos.
You yourself, calm down now.
Wicked boys.
See, Olivia, God cannot give you what you cannot take care of.
What do you mean by that?
Do you even look at yourself from head to toe and see how pretty you are? Sometimes I go to wonder myself whether I'm a River Niger. Please, you are above my standard.
You know all that, but you allowed me fall in love with you.
Okay. It's just because of the love I have for you. That's why I said, let me come and tell you the truth. Ha! If I have a sister that is as pretty as you are, and she's dating somebody like me, Okoko Dekam, I swear I will kill her. Olivia, you are supposed to be dating somebody like Davido, Wizkid, Obi Kubana. Olivia, you are supposed to be attending this party.
God forbid.
Olivia, your level there for Banana Island, not in Lekki. Olivia Lapumaka, let me manage this iTunes card $100 while they pick.
I think he's saying the truth.
Tell how? Do you think I'm happy letting you go? It's just because I want the best for you. Say after me. I know my words.
I know my words.
Any man that cannot press money should clear.
Any man who can press money should clear.
I clear.